What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a birthday special. We got the Mustang 69 Mach 1. We have some new Bilstein shocks for the rear end, and should be a quick, easy one, but we'll show you how to get those changed out.
It's just spinning. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. So, oh, there it goes. Is it supposed to be that bent?
Definitely not supposed to be bent at all.
That's a hot nut. Shock's a wee bent.
So Nathan got this off. We had to take the interior apart. Well, yeah, show them where we. I think we did it maybe a little bit wrong.
So that's the rear seat there. In order to get to the rear shock, they're in these two holes, right here and here. But that back seat is certainly in the way. So, got the shock off. Just getting these next ones set up. And we'll get it installed. We will redo the interior, hopefully the correct way. These have
Hinges.
well, that one doesn't move. We need the WD-40 it. But they have a hinge system like a modern car to be able to fold the back seat down. And the people that did the interior screwed this to the rear cover where the back speakers are, so it like negated that from being a possibility. So after we get the suspension installed, we're gonna go for a test drive, and if it feels better, we're gonna try and figure out how that is supposed to properly work. So Grant's gonna get the bushings up, and then we'll
Slide her in.
oh. Can you get on this side and push too?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We're in. Is that one thread locked, Nate?
Like have a rubber piece?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your nut?
Yeah.
Can I have that one? I think this is probably supposed to go on the bottom side.
More important.
Yeah, because that's not gonna.
Loose.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably enough. I mean, if you look at that looks pretty. You want the bushing to be able to do stuff, though. That's pretty smushed in there. All right. Pull that jack stand out.
Can you get it in there?
I mean, not by myself, probably.
Sure.
Oh yeah, I'm so strong.
I know.
Okay. We got a few things done today. We got the rear shocks, some Bilsteins put in, and got some test driving done. Feels amazing. Go ahead and show them what we changed out.
So our old shocks.
Yeah, the old shocks, strangely, also had springs on them, which didn't really make sense to me because they're not really adjustable either. So it's like they were supposed to be for the shock as well as the spring, and we already have leaf springs, so it doesn't really make sense. Like I said, it feels way better now.
We had a second, what do you call it, a bypass modification?
Yeah, so we used to have the back wouldn't fold down at all in the Mustang, and we kind of did some modifications a little bit, and now we can actually get access to the trunk. We're about to go test drive and see if it rattles around or makes any noise. And then also, this little bumper right here had broken. We kind of did a repair, and now it sits pretty similarly to the other one, so it's looking good now. Alright, so back in the day, we put in speakers where there's an airflow vent that comes from the outside because we wanted speakers instead of airflow. And we used this template, which left a lot of gaps. And in Texas it wasn't that big of a deal because it was pretty warm all the time, but since we've been driving it out here on our trips, it's been really cold. And so today we made a new template. We finally got it completely covered so that only the speaker has a hole, and obviously we'll be filling that. And then we put foam around this whole bit so that no air can get through. So we're about to put the speaker back in and take it for a test drive and see if it leaks air. Because it might be actually this. No, actually there's no way. Because it goes all the way through. So I think we're gonna be good.